I'll be on my way now.
Welcome to VVS Detailing. My name is Greg and I'm the owner and lead detailer here. Behind me we've got a 1995 Toyota Hilux that has seen better days. And we've got about a week's time to restore this thing to its former glory and protect it from whatever the owner has in store for it. So before we do anything, we've got to do a complete walk around and highlight any key areas that need attention. And just from looking at it shortly, I've already compiled a big list of stuff that we need to tackle. So we've got to get to work. All right, so what we're working with here is a 1990s Toyota single stage paint job. We've got several scratches along the fenders and the doors. We've got a big one right here. We've got some residue from some visors or rain guards that were once stuck up there. Some more scratches, make note of that. Scratch down here, here. Basically, the entire vehicle has scratches. Some pretty bad swirl marks, so you can see in the reflection. Looking at the taillights, we've got some pretty oxidized turn signal lens covers here. Some polishing will do that pretty good. Got a dent right here, very small, but you can see in the light. Got an area right here that has been touched up. Mobile body shop or a body shop to do. They'll have to repaint that. As far as the rest of the paint goes, not too difficult. We'll have to get really close to all of these corners where residue likes to be built up, especially here on these rubber trim on the doors, pretty nasty edges. So we'll do a good deep clean on that. And once we're done with the exterior detail, we can move on to paint correction, which I'm thinking it's gonna need a two-step paint correction just to get it shiny where I'm happy with it, because Toyota seems to have pretty soft paint, especially with their single stage paint job. So I don't think a one-step paint correction is gonna do the trick. As far as the wheels and tires go, some good wheel cleaner, iron remover, and some scrubbing will take care of this. Let's get started on that exterior detail and try to get out of this heat as soon as possible. Just give it a good scrubbing. All right, let's do a test, see if there's any hydrophobics on here whatsoever from any wax or ceramics. Paint's pretty flat, no indication of any protection on the paint, so it's good. This paint is coming off because it's a single stage paint job. So it's turning all my pads black. So that's before and after. Good enough, good and tight. So we've got the PPF installed on the hood, the fenders, and the fender flares. Typically we would be putting PPF on the bumpers as well as the side mirrors, but we're not gonna do that today because the chrome is actually in a little bit of rough shape with some rust on it, so it's not gonna install properly. We've also got the side markers reinstalled as well as the wiper sprayers and the side trim. We're gonna go ahead and continue the polishing on the rest of the vehicle, and I'm excited how this is turning out. Everyone, it's finally done. The historic 1995 Toyota Hilux has been my labor of love over the last 5 days. From the paint correction to the paint protection film and the ceramic coating to seal the paint, everything's been meticulously worked on, and the result, well, you're looking at it. And for those that understand how significant this vehicle is, you know just how important this project was. Visit us at vvsdetailaz.com or follow our journey at VVS Detailing AZ on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna get out of this heat. We'll catch you in the next video.